Hey everyone, Zen here, your Shopify expert from Sanomads, and today I'm super excited to share the Shopify's latest summer 23 edition with you, featuring the awesome Meta objects.
Wow!
With the magic of these Shopify Meta objects, now you can effortlessly craft captivating storefronts. Just a click and watch your online store come alive.
Damn!
Do you want to create custom landing pages?
Yes!
In this case, where the things come handy are Shopify Meta objects. They allow you to create structured landing pages for your store featuring mouth-watering images, detailed food description, and the product that features them.
Okay.
This new feature from Shopify makes managing your online store very simple and fun.
It was perfect.
Get ready to take your online store to the next level with this incredible new feature. We will walk you through everything you need to know step by step.
Wow!
So just stay tuned and let's make your online store pop with style and personality by using this incredible new feature.
Okay.
Trust me guys, it's going to be a game changer. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the Shopify dashboard right now. So first what I'm gonna do is I will click on settings. I will scroll down a little bit and you can see here it says custom data under the notification tab. So I will click on custom data tab, and if I scroll down I will see here the meta objects, and I will click on add definition. I will give it a name. For example, I will say Sanomads image banner, and I will add a field in it. I will add single line text and I will give it a name Sanomads heading, and I will click on add. I will add another field. I will add single line text for the subheading. It will be Sanomads subheading, and I will click on add. I will click on add field for adding the another field. For image you have to select the file. I will search here file, click on file and give it a name. For example, I will say Sanomads image banner, and I will click on add. So guys, the most important thing is here it says features. Under the features you can see here it says web pages. If you check this, then you can create your custom template or a landing page from it. Scroll down and you can see here it says page title. So for page title I will select heading, and for the meta description I will be selecting here the subheading, and here you can see the URL handle, and I will click on save. Boom, you have created your first meta object.
Wow!
Now I will click on cross and I will scroll up, and as you can see here it says content below the customer tab. I will click on content and it show me add your meta object entry. I will add an entry here. Click on add entry, click on your meta object, and I will add an entry here. For example, I will say this is Sanomads heading, and I will add a subheading for it. For example, this if I say this is Sanomads first subheading, and I will selecting a file for the image. Click on done and click on save. Congratulations, you have added the entries in your meta object. And now the most important thing is how you can create a custom template from the meta object. As you can see below the online store, here it says customize template. Click on customize template. It will take you to the another tab and it will open your theme customizer. So guys, as you can see it's asking me to create template. I will click on create template. It will create a template for me. So guys, I have added here the image with text section, and I will click on this section and I will connect dynamic source with it, and here you can see it says Sanomads image banner. So I will connect my meta object with this image. Click on it, go back, click on heading and click on insert dynamic source and connect your heading with this. Go back, And for the description, I will be selecting this description, remove it, add insert dynamic source, connect your subheading with this, click on back and click on save. And congratulations, you have created your first template with your meta object. So guys, if you like our video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any questions. I will catch you in the next coming up videos. Take care, bye.